breaking now, more details are coming in even as the first round of interrogation of Usman has ended. Sources are telling your channel that this second Kasab will be shifted to Delhi for further grilling. Sources also telling Times Now that during his interrogation, he has claimed that the Lashkar module that he belongs to was tasked to go for spectacular attacks in order to destabilize peace in the region. Very specific details coming through now. Aditya is there in Jammu tracking these developments. Aditya, some more specific information coming forth now from the interrogation.
Well, that's right. Very shocking details coming in even as the interrogation continues. We got you visuals of Mohammed actually moving out, the interrogators and the police moving him to an undisclosed location. He was kept in the Tiger Division in one of the areas in Jammu. Under high security, he's being kept right now, but there is a lot of speculation, and sources within agencies also saying that there are chances that he might be moved to a secure area in the national capital in New Delhi where he could be kept. And also, very important details that interrogators have been able to extract from Mohammad Naveed at this moment include the fact that he's from Lashkar-e-Toiba, he's an 11 dropout, and also for 3 to 4 years he has got at least twice military training in warfare techniques from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, in which several members of the military establishment in Pakistan and ISI were also involved. He has named a lot of people, and that's what is being doubly checked by the agencies, who these people are, where the people are recruiting members for the Lashkar-e-Toiba. It has been a trend that people from the backward areas in Pakistan, be it Rawalpindi or Bahawalpur and Faisalabad, people, unemployed youth, are being pushed into, indoctrinated and pushed into terror activities and infiltrated into India in the form of Fedayeen squads. So the sources within the NIA, in fact, I just spoke to some very senior officers who said that all the agencies, which include the J&K police, the NIA, and also the intelligence wings of the military as well as the Home Ministry, are working in coordination. They are on the same page. There is some kind of speculation that this case might be shifted from the J&K police to the NIA. But as of now, NIA has not got the custody. They're saying that all the agencies will work together to